The last one that we're going to talk about before we do our self-assessment is Orion. The Orion star beings and the Orion star seeds originate from the Orion constellation. We all know Orion's belt, right? The Orion constellation. Now, Orion star seeds and Orion beings are very well known for their analytical mind. They're very smart, very by the book. They learn a lot. They're technologically savvy. Orion star seeds have an insatiable thirst for knowledge. They analyze and dissect all forms of information, and they enjoy doing it. Okay, these are people who enjoy cracking codes and solving problems and going through information and this and that. These are people who enjoy that kind of stuff. They also hold very strong opinions, and they don't change them easily because they need proof to accept that they were wrong. They need proof to accept this opposing viewpoint. Once they made their mind about something, you had better prove it to them, and it better be true, otherwise they're not going to accept it. They are quite knowledgeable on a wide range of topics. They react to their emotions in a much more logical manner. They don't just fly off the handle. They're very self-disciplined. They have a good handle on their own power, their own self-control, their own containment. They don't necessarily struggle often. Like some starseeds can struggle with addiction issues, trauma, abuse, those kinds of cycles. Orions, not necessarily. They're very capped in their emotions. They don't really blow off the handle, but that can kind of eat at them a little bit more inward, especially with their logical mind turning like that. They do require alone time to recharge, which most of us do, but Orions, it's very important because they need to pull away from that outer world. There's a slight, I don't want to say distrust of information, but Orions tend to think that they are more educated. Like, I just know. I already know the answer, and you can't tell me different. Oh, wait, you know it? Oh, okay, well, I guess you did tell me different, and I guess that's right. Then, okay, they'll eat it. But for the most part, they feel a little bit mentally superior. Now, they also strive for perfection. They are perfectionists. They enjoy competition. They may seem egoic because they enjoy the challenge, right? Competition and challenge. They may say, I'm better than you. I'm going to win. It may seem egoic, but it's not. It's because they just really want to win. They want that perfection, and they want to win. They may come off as a slightly self-centered or cold. Again, that's because they kind of have their emotions capped, and if you're not in, you're not in. They may seem a little distant or cold, but they're really, really not. They just don't fly off emotionally about things. Those are Orion starseeds.